Musyoka.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, my brother and a friend, my classmate, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, Honorable Orengo, na viongozi wote wako hapa, Ososi na wengine. Nataka kwanza kabisa kutoa rambirambi zangu kwa familia ya Omoke. Familia ya Omoke, familia ya Onyonka, natoa rambirambi zangu saa 30 kwenu. Pole sana. I know family members wa mama. Dr. Kenga was here. Is somebody I've lived with in Nakuru. Mama Gladys Getui ni mtu najua, na nyinyi Jimmy nimejuana na nyinyi. Poleni sana kwa yara ambayo yameenda. Kitu ambao kimetokea hapa kimeonekana ya kwamba mama alikuwa shujaa. Mama alikuwa shujaa. You remember, Rigichi reminded us, Mama was a treasurer for 32 years. That is somebody to be trusted. I trust that you will emulate her and we move on. I wish we had people like her. Very outright, and mtu ambaye alifungua mlango yake, watu wakakuja huko. Asanteni sana, nimekaa hapa nikisikisa yale ambao yamesemwa hapa. Wale ambao wameangalia, nimetembea Kenya. I've gone to 43 counties. The Kenyans are paining. The Kenyans are paining and paining very, very badly. Kitu nakubaliana na nyinyi ya kwamba it will be a terrible thing, and I have said this before, it will be a tragedy if we allow Ruto to come back. It will be a terrible tragedy if we allow Ruto to come back. Why? Because since Ruto came to power, everything he has come up with, every program he has come up with is a program that is meant to loot the resources of the Kenyan people. He came with SHA, he came with e-citizen. He has now come with housing. He is coming up with some project of mega projects. Ameuza Safaricom shares. Ameuza pipeline. Since when did you hear a country take chances with its energy? It is tragic. My brothers, as we talk, as we get to 2027, let us know that the Kenyans are paining. Wale wengine ambao tuko hapa, Mheshimiwa Orengo, I heard you, Mheshimiwa Ososi, I heard you. Let's come together. But I want to recommend one thing. Let us be careful tusije tukaone kama tunatenganisha watu wengine. Kenya is one. Let us come together. And by the way, remember the communities. There are some minority communities that are paining very badly. Tusije tukazungumuse vile tunataka kutoa Ruto, lakini tusungumuse tukikumbuka ya kwamba iko ndugu zetu from minority communities, na wao wasikizwe. You know, Kenya is a democratic country, but unfortunately, the leadership of this country embraced an extractive system. Wale ambao wako kwa mamlaka wanaiba, wanatumia hiyo ofisi kama ATM. The message I've got from the country, this must come to an end. If we want Kenya to go ahead, the extractive system must come to an end. And it can't come to an end if we are going to have a PR exercise in the elections. So let's think very seriously. Wakenya wanataka wizi wa mali ya umma ikwishe na isirudiwe. So we must advise. As we come together and think, we must devise a system that is going to change the governance of this country forever, so that we don't have a leader. It doesn't matter whether it's Maraga or who comes to power and uses his position to steal the resources of the people of Kenya. That must end. If it is not going to end, Kenya is going to break, let me tell you. Kenya is going to break. I wanted to say pole sana for a year Metokana. I wanted to thank all of you, our leaders. I want to thank you, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. I want to thank you, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo, Mama Orengo na wengine. Tushirikiane, tujue ya kwamba the Kenyans want the looting of public resources to end once and for all. Thank you very much.
No, one of the challenges of running the program the way